Remember this LED notification light? That feeling, when checking your phone wasn't a mindless scroll, it was a power move. That keyboard wasn't just for texting, it was for commanding your world. It was the king. Then, it was gone. Lost in a sea of glass slabs. What if I told you, the king didn't just get a new suit? He got a whole new arsenal. The legend isn't just back. It's been to the future and came back with upgrades. America, get ready. This is the Blackberry Classic 2026. This isn't a museum piece. This is a fusion, that iconic, untouchable style, merged with 2025 firepower. Let's break down exactly what's coming. Features of the Blackberry Classic 5G. Display and design. First, the stuff your thumbs have been dreaming about. Yeah, the legendary physical keyboard is home. The precision trackpad, it's back. And that glorious, iconic LED notification light. You better believe it, but look closer. They've perfected it, wrapped it in a modern chassis that's all premium materials. And the screen, a stunning 4.65-inch Full HD Plus display, with a 120Hz refresh rate. That means buttery smooth scrolling and a typing experience so crisp, you'll feel it in your soul. The camera. Let's address the elephant in the room. Old Blackberry cameras, we don't talk about those. The new Blackberry Classic, it's packing a dual solitary 100-megapixel monster on the back. Computational photography that pulls insane detail. And for the selfies and zooms, a sharp, 16-megapixel front-facing shooter. Blackberry isn't playing in the camera game anymore. They're here to win. Performance. Under the hood, this is where it gets wild. They didn't slap in some budget chip. They went for the throat, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The same chip driving today's absolute flagship killers. Multitasking, gaming, this thing will not stutter. And it's running pure Android 16. Full access to the Google Play Store, all your apps, with BlackBerry's legendary security built on top. Battery backup. In the battery, the classic BlackBerry promise. All-day power gets an upgrade. A massive 5000 mAh battery that, with that efficient chip and screen, promises something we've all forgotten, multi-day battery life. Charge on Friday, party through the weekend. Price and launch date. So, the million-dollar questions. When, and more importantly, how much? Launch date, targeting Q3 2026. And estimated price, $399. Let that sink in. For under $400, you're not just buying nostalgia. You're buying a statement, a perfectly balanced fusion of what we loved then, with what we need now.